Hello beauties, welcome again to When This Start. A wonderful day to you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. Welcome to When This Starts. It's been a while and I'm back like I never left. There's never been a better time to really rock your natural hair. With the season, Christmas, season, holiday season, you have to really keep up with the latest trends in natural hairstyles for beautiful black women. And I want you guys to please check out these awesome videos and photos for your next hairdo. And you're gonna find your next favorite hairstyle here. So whether your natural hair is short or is medium, there are varieties of styles for you. So whether you have the full hair or you have the thin hair, it's best to just let them look so beautiful, because those styles are easily maintained haircut. And don't forget to use the right product, like we have the Kings and Coils, the MIELLE kit, and we have other good products you can use that will make it look fun, that will make it look creative, and it's a hairstyle that will always make it look youthful. So you want something that will make it look gorgeous or stand out in the crowd, this haircut today is for you. They're gonna make it look incredible. They're gonna make 10 eyes in the occasion. I just want you guys to please check out those haircuts that is a perfect goal for every natural hair. These are a perfect and everyday haircut that will make it looking fun, make it looking fierce, and you can wear them with any color of your choice, whether the blonde, or you want to work with a purple or ox blood or platinum or any color of your choice. The styles today will really inspire you on the next haircut for your next hair appointment. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to When This Starts. Stay locked for more beautiful videos coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.
It's just one thing to say. Now how you dey move, Jaja, beautiful display. And if you can't see my face, you know that your love is healing. Beautifully wonderful love. Anywhere I follow, it no matter far. If you like Creme, long as ain't nobody know. Maybe we can, nobody know. Papa, I give you love unconditional. I get plans for you. Be like sit them, no want me to. Jealousy them, no want me to. Papa, they want kill our love. Oh, if you got me, then I got you. It don't matter what they say. Beautifully wonderful love. Anywhere I follow, it no matter far. If you like Creme, long as ain't nobody knows. Maybe we can, nobody know.
It's MC Special.
Da 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 da, steady your face job for me. I wanna take a picture so this could last longer for me. Take my secrets, got them like precious money. I never want to hear you quiet, so I falling for you like a thief, in the knees. And when I see you, I feel still the keys to your heart again. And I believe, yes I believe, I'm falling for you like a thief, in the knees. Cause when I see you, I feel still the keys to your heart again. My baby bad, my baby good, my baby all the things I need. My baby bust up the silence, so I bust up the silence, so my baby bad, my baby good, my baby all the things I need. My baby bust up the silence, so I bust up the silence, so steady your face just for me. I wanna take a picture so this could last longer for me, longer for me. Take my secrets, got them like precious money, precious money. I never want to hear you quiet, so I write songs for ya, write songs for ya. I write songs for ya. Oppositions they come left and right, but I don't care. Puppy they are front, say leave you, but I died, yeah. No mommy come out, cause you are my only strength. Well, I retort, but I know that you're my best, 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 best. And I believe, yes I believe, I'm falling for you like a thief, in the knees. And when I see you, I feel just still the keys to your heart again, your heart again. Cause I believe, yes I believe, I'm falling for you like a thief, in the knees. Cause when I see you, I feel just still the keys to your heart again, your heart again. My baby bad, my baby good, my baby all the things I need. My baby bust up the silence, so bust up the silence, so my baby bad, my baby good, my baby all the things I need. My baby bust up the silence, so bust up the silence. Big static, yeah.
MZ special.
Steady your first job for me. I wanna take a picture so this could last longer for me. Take my secrets, got them like precious money. I never want to hear you quiet, so I write songs for you. So I write songs for you. And I believe, yes I believe, I'm falling for you like a thief, in the knees. Cause when I see you, I feel to steal the keys to your heart again. Yes I believe, I'm falling for you like a thief, in the knees. Cause when I see you, I feel to steal the